Want to change profile visibility on Roblox but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change profile visibility on Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by tapping on More button from the bottom right corner. Next, click on the Settings button. After that, tap on Account Info. Now scroll all the way down. Here you have various options for social networks visibility. Choose any one option from here. The change will be done automatically when you select the options. And that's how you can change profile visibility on Roblox. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.